Your Honour, I actually have a witness.
Oh!
Your work wife.
Oh, my.
Hey! Bring on your bomber card! Yeah, where is she? Cindy! Hi friends, it's your girl Nella Rose.
And your girl Inja Polak. And we're back again, and you already know the deal. Come on, quick, we have a surprise. Come on.
Right here, you're safe.
So guys, stay tuned.
Because we've got a cheeky little surprise for you guys.
We do. This is Pretty Little Things Pink Courtroom Season 4.
All rise. Please be seated. Court is now in session.
Officer, can you please hand me today's case?
We are here today in the Pink Courtroom where the claimant has brought the defendant for allegedly cheating on her.
The claimant is requesting the defendant must pay child support of a sum of £2,000 a month until their child is 18 years old. Yes.
Claimant, can you please state your name?
Yeah, my name's Maya.
Oh, she's pregnant.
Oh my God!
Right. Well. She's carrying low, that's a boy.
Damn.
Do you think?
Yeah, she's carrying low.
And defendant, please can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Jake.
Turn a backwards cap. Guilty.
Shit.
Okay, well, before we get into it, we're gonna need both of you guys to take the Pink Courtroom oath. Yeah.
So repeat after me. I, Maya,
I, Maya,
swear to tell the truth.
swear to tell the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
In the Pink Courtroom,
In the pink courtroom.
no matter how messy it may be.
No matter how messy it may be.
It may be.
Right, so before we get into it, claimant, please can you start with your opening statement?
I've been with this scumbag here for about 6 years. 6 years, very long time, and as you can see, we're pregnant. Very excited.
Congratulations, by
Thank
the
you
way.
very much. Thank you.
To you only.
Thank you.
Yeah.
When we found out that we were pregnant in November, Jake started a new job, which I really appreciate. Money, costs, everything's going up. But ever since then, he's been coming home late every night. Non-stop talking about his work friend, Cindy. Never met this girl.
Cindy?
Comes home, Sydney did this today, Sydney did that today. Every time, I don't give a crap about Cindy. I do not care. He's spending more time with this girl, helping her meet her quota, instead of helping me move into our new flat. I'm doing it all by myself instead of him helping me. So a couple weeks ago, I lost my AirPods, as one does. So I tracked them on Find My iPhone and they were at some random address. So I thought, let me go there. Obviously, I'm thinking it's on site. I don't care if I'm pregnant. We're going, we're having an argument.
I feel you.
Tell me why I go there. I see Jake's car parked outside. This random address. Doesn't make sense. He's told me he's been at the gym. He said, oh, I've just been at the gym. That's it, that's it. So why is your car parked there? And all I'm thinking is this must be the Sydney girl's house. It must be this person's house who you keep chatting about.
She got her name wrong on purpose. Sydney. Thought it was Cindy. You get me?
That's it.
Open and state.
I'm here to defend myself. Maya keeps banging on about this Cindy bird. Oh, she's just a work friend.
Call
right?
girls birds.
We went out for a couple drinks at lunch. My laptop was next to hers, but I picked hers up by mistake. I did go gym that day, but I thought I'd swing by her house, just quickly pick it up. That's why she seen me motor there. But yeah, I'm just here to defend myself today to prove that I wasn't doing what she said I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm innocent.
This is gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a big one.
Exactly, because you know I like to get petty when it comes to cheating men. So to bring in some sanity into this courtroom, I think we should call in one of our lovely friends.
I think we should.
999.
It's an emergency.
Hello? Yeah, my sister, me and India, we're really having some difficulties with this case right here. Would you like to come in and help us? Thanks, Del. She says hi.
Hey, girl.
Right, let's bring in our guest judge.
Judge Nella, Judge India.
Hey.
Stretch your stuff, Sil.
So you called for the expert?
Yeah,
Big
we're gonna
period.
need some help, girl.
So, obviously, a lot of foolish people are gonna walk through them doors. So feel free to just throw anything. You have your gavel, you can really just put your foot down at any point.
I'm ready.
We even have a, just in case
If anybody needs shouted at,
Just so you know, we got a cheating man on board.
not the cheating man.